In this video, we will learn about how to protect your WordPress blog from spam comments. If you are getting a lot of spam comments on your WordPress website, then in that case, first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and then click over Add New under Plugins section. Now here, search for a new plugin, that is Akismet. Install and activate this Akismet anti-spam plugin. Now click over Set up your Akismet account. Now here, choose your plan and then proceed. You can go ahead with your free plan. Now enter the email address, first name, last name, your website URL, and then continue with personal subscription. Now here, this will ask you for confirmation code which is sent to you via email. Copy this confirmation code and then paste it over there. Finally, go ahead with continue. Now you will find that your sign up is completed successfully. You can log into your dashboard from here. Now enter your email address to log in. Further, click over continue. Now finally, check your email for a link. Click over that link, that is login to WordPress. Now finally provide the API key that is given here in the Akismet dashboard. Now in the WordPress dashboard section, go to settings under installed plugins. Now manually enter that copied KPI key here. Once you enter the API key which you copied earlier, then your plugin will be activated successfully. Also, the status will be shown to you as active. In this way, your WordPress site will be protected from all of your spam comments.